Alright guys, I'm back. It's been a little over a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. I'm not sure how long since I made a video. I said things were getting less hectic around here, but they're still hectic. So, got some new locks in the mail. Thought I'd show my latest additions to my Abus collection. I've got a red 8340. Zero bitted. I haven't pinned this one up yet. It did come with a little package of pins. And I got, let's see what else we have here. I got a 90 Ti-50. Oh, by the way, that red one is a Titalium as well. This is a 90 Ti-50 Titalium. Zero bitted also. Does work. I actually found a seller on eBay that had some pretty damn good prices on these Titaliums, and he's got a couple of the rocks too that I want to get. And then got another 8340 here, blue this time. It's also a Titalium. I have pinned this one and cut a key for it. Let's see. There is the bitting on the key. Trying to make it as challenging as I could for a factory lock. Haven't tried to pick it yet. Figured it'd be a good one to get on video. Believe it or not, this key actually works fairly smooth for something with that drastic of bitting. But let's see if we can pick this damn thing. Try to keep my hands out of the way this time. I also changed a few settings on the camera. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to cameras, so did some research online, got some advice from Potty. Hopefully this will turn out as a better video. Please feel free to let me know if it looks better, worse, the same, and any advice that anybody has. If they know anything about video cameras, I'll take it. So, let's see here. And we'll click off 4. Still haven't been getting to pick as much as I'd like to. And then, oh, there's a little turn on the core. Thursday of this week, I am leaving on vacation to Costa Rica for a week. I haven't found out yet if I can take my lock picks with me. I kind of doubt it. But I will be searching for some locks, that's for sure. There's a little click off of 2. Another click off of 4. Can't tell if that's counter rotation or... But once I get back from Costa Rica, hopefully I'll start having some more free time, start getting some videos out there. I feel like I'm falling behind here. Well, I think I just dropped everything. There's another little slight turn. I have overset something. Maybe not. I think I've only got one holding me up. There it is. Alright, let's get this thing opened up here and show you this bitting I gave it, or pinned it up with, before my battery tries to die on me. Got the lock out of frame. Sorry about that, guys. Forgot to zoom out. Follower. Well. Get the Z-bar out of the way. Sorry guys, I'm not doing a very good job at keeping this thing in frame. I'm trying to hurry before my battery dies. I thought I had enough charge. Follower. There we go. Push the pin. There we are. And turn that. There we go. Alright, all the key pins are standard. But you can see the high-low bitting. And then upstairs are all just from the factory Abus pins, but we'll go ahead and gut it. Got a barrel pin in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, spool in 5, and a spool in 6. I didn't change anything on this, guys. The only thing I did was pin it up. I'll get you a better look at the pins here. And there you go, barrel and 5 spools. Anyways, that's my newest Titalium. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it fun. Thanks.